My name is Kevin Pina, and I'm an independent documentary filmmaker and independent journalist. I've been covering the story of Haiti for more than a decade now, and I've been living in Haiti the past 5 years. I report regularly on what's called Flashpoints Radio on KPFA, which is the flagship station of the Pacifica Radio Network. I'm also an associate editor of the Black Commentator, blackcommentator.com. Probably one of the things that has struck me most about my experiences in Haiti has been the difference between how it's been portrayed in the international media, or the corporate media, if you will, versus my own experiences and reporting on the ground. So much so that sometimes I've wondered if I'm living in the same country. When I read some of the reports from the Associated Press and Reuters, and I see some of the CNN reports, I really wonder if I'm living in the same country that they're reporting on, because my experiences have differed so radically from the line that I've heard portrayed in the press.